In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your motorcycle license in Australia. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I start, I want to make it very clear that the specific steps and requirements for you to acquire your motorcycle license in Australia may vary slightly depending on the state or territory that you reside in. I'm still going to give you a general overview of this process, and you will be able to get it done. I want to also highlight that you can get the most up-to-date information regarding all of this by visiting your state's government website. So, for example, nsw.gov.au. When you arrive at any of these pages, you can look for rider license or motorcycle license, and you will be able to get the most up-to-date information. To start, the first thing that you will have to acquire is a learner's permit. You need to be at least 16 years old, and in some states you may need to complete a pre-learner's course. You need to pass a written knowledge test, pass an eyesight test, and you will be able to get it. Next, you need a learner's rider license, where you need to be at least 17 years old, hold a learner's permit for a specific period, and pass a practical riding test. Complete a specified number of supervised riding hours, and eventually you will be able to upgrade it to a provisional rider license or P1. For this one, you need to be at least 18 years old. You need to hold a learner's rider license for a specific period, and you may have restrictions on the type of motorcycle that you can ride and the number of passengers that you can carry. Afterwards, you will have the P2 license, and this one requires you to hold the P1 license for a specific period. And finally, after you hold the P2 license for a period as well, you will have access to a full rider license. So as you can see, all of them are listed here: learner license, provisional P1, provisional P2, and then full license. You can click on any of these links and you will be able to get the process done. So all of the information plus the eligibility will be laid out for you. So, like I mentioned, for you to start, you will have to complete a safety rider training course. You will need to find a riding trainer provider, so you can use this link here and book a training course. It's important that you read through all of this. Sadly, in a video of this manner, I can't go over every single step in this whole process. It takes a while, and even though I can generalize the steps for you, it's still important that you take your time and you carefully read through all of this. But as you can see, there will be a list here of approved motorcycle sponsors or providers that you can take the test on. And as long as you go over to any of these, you will be able to apply and get the course done. As long as you do all of these in order, you will be able to get your licenses, and you just have to bring all of these documents to any government branch to get the whole process done and upgrade your driver's license accordingly. I hope I was able to help you on how to get your motorcycle license in Australia. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.